welcome back. So this is going to be, as you can tell from the title, another auction flip. So I'll go ahead and insert some clips of us picking up the furniture right now. So I'll go ahead and go over everything because you can't even see all the stuff that's back here and tell you what I got. So I got 2 couches. I got that one for $16, that one for $26. I got these dining chairs you can kind of see all stacked right here. Those ones I paid $53 for. I got 6 more dining chairs back there. Those ones I think I only paid like $2 for. And then there's a wood cabinet back there that I paid $2 or $3, I think $3. And I got a couple other, there's a black chair you can't see. I actually got 2 of those and I paid $6 for the pair, which they're not exactly the same. One I actually have in my booth right now, so hopefully that'll sell. And then I got a chrome shelf for my booth, which was the most expensive thing that I got at $130. And also, the cost is a little bit higher than that because there is both taxes and the buyer premium of, I think it's 15% for the buyer's premium, so that adds to the cost as well. I paid, I think in total, just over $300 for everything. But yeah, I need to try to get rid of this stuff because it's taking up my entire garage. So yeah, we'll get into that. I know I'm going to rip the skirt off the one couch. I'm hoping I can just clean that one off, the leather couch off. It's pretty nice actually. Just list that today. Oh, I also got a mirror. I got a mirror, I think I paid $11 for that. And then the dining chairs, the 6 in the back, those ones do need to be shampooed, steamed, and maybe some wood fixes on that. I don't know. And then those ones I need to Bondo. I'll show you a up closer view of those and fix that issue. And cabinet, I think I'm just gonna list it as is and hopefully that sells quickly. But yeah, this should be pretty good. I'm hoping to sell this stuff fairly quickly, but yeah, let's go. The chairs that I showed you in the garage. Got a set of 4, the cantilever style with wood. I probably shouldn't have got these in retrospect. I paid $53, I think, and they're kind of damaged. I think the shape of them is cool. If they were in better condition, this would definitely be a good buy. But I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix this other chair, which I'll show you close up, with the quick wood bond stuff, but we'll give it a shot. Here's kind of a closer view of that wood damage. It's chipped pretty badly, so we'll try to fix that. So here are the set of 6 dining chairs. They're kind of like a, I don't know, Spanish Revival style, something like that. Probably made in the 70s. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the stains out with this, or at least started, and then I'm going to shampoo them because they don't smell very good. But the fabric still looks like it's in decent condition, aside from the stains. So that's where we're starting at. They are all clean. They're not perfect. There are still a few little spots, but way, way, way better than they were. They look a lot better, I think. And this is the dirty water. Look at all that free, nasty cat hair. It's disgusting. Okay, so I don't know how long it's been at this point since I last worked on these chairs, but I had them listed. First I listed all 6, and I kept lowering the price, and just, I didn't get any messages. And then I decided to list them as pairs, still nothing. And now I'm thinking that, I think it's just the wood for this style of chair. I don't know, it's just not working. I don't ever really do this, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna go ahead and paint them black. I just think it'll kind of give them like a more cool goth kind of feel to it. And maybe that'll get them to sell. If that doesn't work, then I don't know. Might curb alert them or something. We'll see. I literally got chalkboard paint because I didn't wait. I feel like waiting to get the black paint mixed. So I just grabbed this. I should work fine, and then I'll top coat it. But first I gotta kind of do the sanding of these. Time for the tack cloth. Finishing layer, some polyurethane. I got this Rust-Oleum gloss polyurethane. We'll give it a shot. So it's been a little while. The date that I'm recording this is August 25th. This auction, let me see what day it was that I picked up stuff. So it's been just a little bit over a month, but I've sold almost everything that I showed you in the previous video. I will go ahead and go over what we did sell, all the numbers and stuff. Hopefully that's interesting to you. So the very first thing that sold right away was the leather couch, which was crazy because I was kind of skeptical on buying that. Just a refresher, I got the leather couch for $16. All of these costs that I got these for are going to be before the buyer's premium and tax, which you have to pay on auction. So these aren't going to total up to what the grand total is for all the furniture items, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, so I won the bid for the leather couch at $16 and I sold that for $250. I sold that, I think, the next day after I listed it. And then I sold the gold mirror, which I got that for $11. I got $60 for that, pretty good sale. The dining chairs, which I did have to do that one repair with the Bondo, I got those 4 chairs for $53, so a little steep, but I did sell those fairly quickly for $225. So not a terrible flip. I don't think I'd do it again because of the repair with those. The little cabinet, that took a while to sell. I would not buy the cabinet again, but I got that for $3 and I sold it for $30. It did take a little while, which is weird. I didn't do anything with it, but yeah, I wouldn't do the cabinet again. It's not a bad profit, but it took up enough space and was annoying enough to hassle with that, I don't know, I wouldn't do it. Then I sold the ivory couch, which took a while too. I don't know what it was. I think I ended up listing it twice. I can't remember if I took new pictures or not, but I did sell it for $160. I did have to bring the price down repeatedly. I had a lot of interest in it. A lot of people say they wanted to buy it, and then they buy it in a week, and then they just kept falling through. But yeah, I did finally sell that couch for $160. And then the dining room chairs, oh my god. So I list them and nothing. And then for all 6 after doing the repair and cleaning them. And I kept lowering the price. I think the final price that I had on them was like $150, and then I took it down and then I listed them as pairs and thought that maybe that would help. Nothing still. So I left those up for a little while, and then I decided, I'm like, what if I paint them? I don't really try that. And so I went ahead and painted them black, which took like a week to finish that because of all the steps with sanding and all that. And I kept dropping the price. I think I initially had them listed at $250, and then I did finally sell them for $170 yesterday, and the lady said she's gonna paint them white. So I think in retrospect I should have just retook the pictures of them outside because they did look better that way. But yeah, lesson learned. But anyways, I'm glad they're gone. And so just to kind of go over the final numbers, so I paid roughly $145 for all of the furniture I got from the auction, which isn't the exact number because I know I paid for a shelf as well that I'm not including in this because I put that in my booth just to use as a display. So, but roughly about $145 with buyer's premium and taxes is about what I equated that. And then we did have some expenses. I did have to rent a box truck from Home Depot, which was $30, and because of the 2 couches. Then I also got that wood Bondo to repair the 1 chair, which was only $6, and then the paint was $10. I just got like, I think like a quart of paint or something. And so those expenses total $46. The gross profit was $895 minus the expenses and the cost for the goods. I made just over $700, so I really can't complain. There's definitely better hits than others. I mean, the couches are annoying and they took up a lot of space, but honestly, that leather couch was beautiful. Like, I can't complain about the profit. I think I initially had it listed at $350 because I looked up the prices of what I just spit, of that Natuzzi brand couch, and they go for like over $2,000 brand new. So I was like, oh, I should be able to get, you know, like $300. But because of the damage on it, one person look at it and back out, and then the next day I had someone look at it and they just lowered me down, and I'm like, I could just tell they weren't going to buy it unless they got the price that they wanted. So I did buckle, and because I didn't want to move it back and forth to the garage and keep getting bug bites as I wait for people to decide if they want the stupid couch. So I took the $250, which honestly I really can't complain. Maybe next time if I am in that situation with a leather couch like that, I will try to buy the leather tint to get that fixed. Okay, sorry, my neighbor came to the door. But anyways, I don't even remember what I was saying. But yeah, I really can't complain. I still haven't sold the 2 black chairs yet. Those one's in my booth and still hasn't sold, and then hopefully someone's gonna pick up the other one today, but we'll see what happens. So I didn't include the profit I made from that, and I feel like I'm gonna jinx myself if I say how much I'm gonna charge for, which isn't gonna be a lot. Those I don't think were necessarily worth it either, because obviously they still haven't sold and it's been over a month. But yeah, couches were good. The dining chairs, I don't know if I'd do those again. Gold mirror all day. That's pretty easy to store and it's easy to pick up and everything. But maybe different dining chairs. I do like, I don't know. There's another auction coming up. I don't think I'm going to film it just because this video just took so much time and I don't like that. And I feel like maybe this isn't the most interesting thing, but I figured I'd try it again because I got so much stuff this time. And yeah, let me know what you think. Hopefully there's auctions in your areas. I feel like it's just a really good way to find furniture, better than a lot of alternatives. So this is definitely where I get the majority of my furniture. Sometimes I get lucky with Facebook Marketplace. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching if you did. I have a lot more content coming up, a lot of things that I've kind of put on the back burner to finish this one out because I can really only work on one video at a time. But I'm excited for some other stuff that I have coming out. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye!